Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Solitaire Poker. This engaging card game combines the strategy of poker with the simplicity of solitaire. Your main goal is to arrange 25 cards into a 5x5 grid, aiming to create the best possible poker hands across 10 different lines. We'll cover everything from setting up your game to calculating your final score, ensuring you're ready to enjoy this classic. It's a fantastic way to sharpen your poker skills. To begin, you'll use a standard deck of 52 playing cards. Shuffle the deck thoroughly and then draw cards one by one. As each card is drawn, you must immediately place it into one of the 25 empty spaces on your 5x5 grid. Once a card is placed, it cannot be moved, so careful consideration of its position is crucial for building strong poker hands in both rows and columns. After all 25 cards are placed, it's time to score your grid. You will evaluate 10 distinct poker hands, the 5 horizontal rows and the 5 vertical columns. Each of these 10 lines forms a 5-card poker hand. Points are awarded based on the traditional poker hand rankings, with a royal flush being the highest value hand and a pair being one of the lowest. Tally up the points from all 10 hands for your total score. Mastering solitaire poker involves strategic placement. Try to build high-value hands like a straight flush or 4 of a kind early on. Remember that a single card can contribute to both a row and a column hand, so optimize its placement for maximum impact. Don't neglect any area of your grid. Aim for a balanced distribution of strong hands across all 10 lines. Consistent practice will significantly improve your ability to achieve higher scores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.